So we type in Flutter emulators launch API 28. Give it a second to launch. Now that it's launched, Flutter run. Alright, so now that the app's up, we're just gonna run through everything that we went through. So flat button, icon button, has an alert dialog, raise button. We have an app drawer along a picture, email, name, CS department, UCO department, resources. So the CS department, it has a photo, enrollment, undergrads, grads, Department of Computer Science, Edmond, Oklahoma, directions, call, and then web page. And we have a card right here with text that is raised above the screen.